When the voltage supplied to a 277-volt HID ballast drops below its recommended operating voltage, several effects can occur. Firstly, reduced light output. The ballast may not be able to provide sufficient power to ignite the lamp properly or maintain its full output. This can result in a noticeable decrease in light intensity. Secondly, lamp failure. Prolonged voltage drop can damage the lamp, causing it to fail prematurely. Thirdly, ballast failure. In extreme cases, severe voltage drop can overload the ballast and cause it to fail. The effects of voltage drop on the entire HID system depend on the severity and duration of the drop. A minor voltage drop, for example from 245 to 250 volts, the system may experience reduced light output, but typically continues to operate without major issues. A moderate voltage drop, for example from 240 to 244 volts, the system may become less stable, with the potential for lamp flickering or intermittent operation. A severe voltage drop, for example, below 240 volts, the ballast may struggle to ignite the lamp or may fail completely. This can result in total darkness or unsafe operating conditions. For a 277-volt HID ballast and lamp, the recommended voltage range is typically a nominal voltage of 277 volts. The acceptable voltage range is 264 volts to 290 volts, and the minimum ignition voltage is 240 volts. To minimize the effects of voltage drop, it is important to firstly ensure that the power supply has adequate capacity to handle the load. Secondly, check the voltage at the ballast location to confirm that it meets the recommended specifications. Thirdly, use surge protectors or voltage regulators to stabilize the voltage supply. Fourthly, limit the length and size of the wiring between the power supply and the ballast. Understanding these considerations is crucial for maintaining the optimal performance and lifespan of your 277-volt HID lighting system.